Okay, so question number 40. Acceptor impurity concentration of Si at 300 Kelvin is 10 to the power 19 per centimeter cube. Calculate the concentration of donor impurity atoms that must be added so that silicon is n-type and the Fermi level energy is 26 milli electron volt below the conduction band edge. Okay, given quantities are volt equivalent of temperature, that is 26 millivolt for 300 degree Kelvin, and effective density state Nc is given as 2.7 into 10 power 19 per centimeter cube. Okay, the options are 1.5, 3, 1, 2 into 10 power 19. 10 power 19 is common and per centimeter cube is common. So 1.5, 3, 1 or 2. So to approach this problem, first we will see charge neutrality condition, which is Na plus small n is equal to Nd plus P. So if you will calculate the value of n, small n, Nd minus Na plus P, and since it is we are trying to make n type, so you can neglect the P, that is minority carrier for this. So Nd minus Na, this will be approximately equal, it will not affect. Okay, since usually what we okay, so now the formula what we will use is n is equal to Nc. So concentration of electrons is equal to Nc e to the power minus Ec minus Ef divided by Kt. Okay, this is the most of the time what happens when we use this formula, we keep small n is equal to Nd. Why? Because at that time we don't have any acceptor impurity. Either we dope with acceptor or either we dope with donor. Okay, but here in this question it is doping is both the kind of impurities we are doping with, donor as well as acceptor. That's the reason this Na is coming into the picture. Else we usually n is approximately equal to Nd. We keep n small n approximately equal to Nd, but here Na is also coming in the picture because the doping is done with both the impurities. Okay, else we would have neglected this term as well. So here that's the catch, this is the catch in the question. So this will become Nd minus Na is equal to Nc e to the power minus Ec minus Ef divided by Kt. Okay, so this all thing we know. The only thing which is required to us is this Nd guy. Na is given to us, Nd we have to find, and Nc is given. Ec minus Ef is 26 milli electron volt, and Kt by Q we can use here volt equivalent temperature. Okay, so if I'll rearrange the terms, what I'll get is Nc divided by Nd minus Na will be equal to e to the power Ec minus Ef divided by Kt. Okay, I hope I am doing this. Okay, and this we can write it as e to the power 26 milli electron volt, and this we can write it as denominator Kt by Q into Q, which will become electron volt. This will be now electron volt, and this is volt equivalent of temperature, which is 26 milli. So electron volt will cancel, everything will cancel, and this will become e to the power 1. Okay, so you can see Kt I just replaced by, so Kt by Q multiplied divided by Q, so this will become electron volt, and this is Kt by Q, which is 26 milli electron volt now. Okay, so that's what I placed, so I got e to the power 1. Now if I'll solve further, what I have is Nc divided by Nd minus Na is equal to e to the power 1. This is what I have. Okay, so Nd I want Nd minus Na is equal to e to the power minus 1 Nc. Nd will be equal to Na plus e to the power minus 1. Nc is 2.7 into 10 to the power 19. Okay, and this will be Na is 10 to the power 19, and this will also come out to be E inverse. So 2.7 is E only. If you will divide it by E, you will get 1. So I can directly write 10 to the power 19 because value of E is 2.71 and it is in inverse, so it will get cancelled. So okay, so 2 into 10 to the power 19 per centimeter cube. This will be the donor impurity. So answer will be D.